Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Ashley and this is Homeschool-ish. So a few weeks ago we were on vacation. We made a little trip to Ikea. I just bought a few things that I had on my list for homeschooling and I was wanting to share them with you today. So really some of them aren't going to seem homeschool-ish at all. Ooh, see what I did there? I did not mean to do that. You're welcome. I'm really feeling this Montessori vibe sort of thing, so some of the things, and I'll explain when I get to those, are used for that kind of purpose. Let me start. So I decided to take some creative liberties here. I saw this napkin holder was only $5 and I'm the biggest cheapo you will ever meet. And I've been wanting to make some wooden trays, but I haven't really had time, so this works perfectly. It was super affordable and it's a great way to hold your toys. And so I have these animals here and then some flashcards to match them to. I actually want to make my own that are specific to these animals. Like I literally want to take a photo of this and have this exact animal. And I have some more animals on my son's Amazon list for Christmas so that we can have a bigger collection. But for now, this is perfect. Okay, I got this mala. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what we're gonna call it, paper. But I need that paper to use with this book. This is for our classical conversations memory work. We're going to make a cute poster like this and just label all of the body parts. My kids will really like that. They like anything that's crafty. So maybe at some point I'll put out a strictly Montessori video. Until then, I do have a little blurb about it in one of my videos about the popular homeschool styles right now. One of the goals with, there's a train again. Can you hear that? Anyway, one of the goals with the Montessori method is to foster independence. I just don't want to be talking and then that to be honest. So one of the goals with the Montessori method is to foster independence, and one of the ways you do that is through plant care or animal care. I can't talk my husband into a dog, but I could talk him into these plants. So I'll take what I can get right now. But each of my kids picked one out. This is for my daughter. This one is for my son. And if you take notice, they are succulents, so they don't require a lot of care. That's probably a good first plant, right? My husband and I had a cactus when we first got married. We named him Bill Cosby. Is that weird? It's probably even weirder now. It was pre all the Bill Cosby stuff, so. So these were actually separate. These were only like 80 cents, and you could use them for anything. You could use them for markers, crowns, colored pencils, really anything. They did have some more narrow ones with, you know, with the handle that you could hang on hooks. There's some seemingly useless information for you, but someone might enjoy that. And then another Montessori item that was on my list, these cups here. We actually purchased shot glasses for my toddler a few weeks ago and he's been drinking really well out of those, but I wanted to have some he can move up to once he's got that down because those are kind of small. I saw on a different vlog that someone was recommending another cup, and I can show you what that looks like. But my son's hands were kind of small, so we went with this one. What else did I get? Oh, I started a little practical life bin. This here is just what you think it is. It's a squeegee for windows. Window cleaning is also a good thing to teach little kiddos. And then I got these rags in case they need to clean up their own spills or if we want to pretend like we're doing dishes. You guys want to know what my favorite Ikea purchase was? It's the Flissat table. It is amazing. My kids love it. I bought the Flissat table for $49.99 I think, and then the stool was like $17.99. The first week we used Duplo Legos. The second week I switched it out to Magna tiles, and I need to switch it over again to something. There's even a Facebook group called Flissat Fun, and oh my goodness, these people are creative. There are some genius mothers on there. So if you have a table like this at home and you are not in that group on Facebook, you need to check it out. And if you know any more, if I'm missing something, definitely send ideas my way. I am not all that creative. I'm just really great at copying creative ideas. Anybody else? Ooh, I lied. I do have another favorite Ikea purchase. So this plant is called Birds of Paradise. You might notice I chose not to spend $20 on the pot and then thought I'd get one cheaper at Walmart, out of season. Yeah, I didn't think that through. So that's next on my list to get a pot for it. Alrighty, that's a wrap on my Ikea trip. I know it wasn't a lot, but I think it's enough to show you. Like I said, I'm cheap, so I tend to get things little by little, and you'll probably notice that in my videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to me talk. I know this video was short and sweet, but I know that that can be refreshing sometimes. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that maybe it gave you some creative ideas for yourself, for your own homeschooling. And as usual, if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you really liked it, maybe subscribe. And if you want to share it with your friends, I won't complain. What else did I get?